What's up, guys? Welcome back to my show. Today we are at my hammerhead shark. My tilapia died, and only 2 more left. And we just got a new catfish here. A bumblebee catfish died. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. See that? See that? Look how amazing that red-tailed catfish is. It's a baby one, but it's gonna bit my finger when it grows. Okay, make sure you like this video and subscribe and keep on watching this video. Well, this red-tailed catfish, you should feed it with worms or fish. It cannot eat the hammerhead shark because its mouth is not big enough. And now look how amazing is he. Send it to your friends. Like, subscribe, press the bell button. So now, bye.